Hello friends, today's topic, what could be the price of these stocks in the future? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society and financial education. In real estate, when we buy a site or a plot, we are able to imagine that how there will be development in the area and hence we are very confident of investing and holding. One of the main reasons why investors find it difficult to hold stocks for long term is because they don't have the imagination or visualization of what could be the stock prices in the future. Currently, Nifty is trading at around 22,475. In the future, in some years, it will surely reach 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 points. In January 2011, Nifty was around 5,000. Most investors would not have imagined that in 2023, Nifty would be close to 23,000. This is the power of compounding and long-term investing. Nifty has multiplied by around 3.4 times in the last 10 years. At the same time, many good individual stocks have multiplied by 5 to 15 times. On the other hand, some stocks would have destroyed people's money if they were not monitored and supervised properly. Hence, making money from stock market is a combination of our actions and the progress of companies over the years. Most people don't have patience to wait for at least 8 to 10 years. They wait for 1 year or so. If the returns are not working out, they get disappointed and exit stock markets. Here is a graphical description of Nifty 50 graph of last 15 years. In some places, we have made a mark or a circle to show you how in those periods Nifty came down, and if you did not have patience, you must have sold the stocks, and later Nifty went up like anything. If you observe the graph of certain Nifty or individual stocks, in some periods the price hardly move or move in a very narrow range. It looks like it is stagnant. This tested the patience of investors and faith of investors. This means that stock markets don't move up in a straight line. There are plenty of ups and downs in the journey from 5,000 to 22,700 and similarly from 22,700 to 30,000 to 40,000 and more. Please note that stock markets does not give consistent and fixed returns every year like bank FDs and post office deposits. We assume the above since we all have vast experience of earning interest from banks FDs. The last 10 years, Nifty 50 index has appreciated by an average of around 13% returns per annum. Selected individual stocks may easily be appreciated by 1.2 to 1.5 times in the Nifty index. For example, if Nifty appreciated by 13% per annum, certain good individual stocks may appreciate by 15 to 18% to 20% per annum in the long term. Just imagining the future stock prices of some large companies assuming an average 15% per annum returns. Reliance Industries, today's approximate price 2,940, estimated price 5 years later 5,913, estimated price 10 years later 11,894. Now coming to Asian Paints, today's approximate price 2,917, 5 years later 5,867, 10 years later it could be 11,800. Titan Company, today's approximate price 3,570, estimated price 5 years later could be 7,180, estimated price 10 years later 14,443. HDFC Bank, today's approximate price 1,534, estimated price 5 years later 3,085, estimated price 10 years later could be 6,206. Bajaj Finance, today's approximate price 6,910, estimated price 5 years later 13,898, estimated price 10 years later 27,954. Now coming to Infosys, today's price 1,419, estimated price 5 years later 2,854, 10 years later 5,741. TCS, today's approx price 3,849. Estimated price 5 years later 7,742. 10 years later 15,571. L&T, today's approximate price 3,596. Estimated price 5 years later 7,233. Estimated price 10 years later 14,547. SBI, today's approximate price 832. Estimated price 5 years later 1,673. Estimated price 10 years later 3,365. ICICI Bank, today's approximate price 1,150. Estimated price 5 years later 2,313. Estimated price 10 years later 4,652. Please note that some companies may split their shares or give bonus shares, hence their share price may look lower in future, but the overall returns they provide shareholders could be anywhere between 14 to 20% per annum if they perform well. Also, not all stocks will appreciate and some companies will make investors lose money. This is why it is said that only the real long-term investors will continue to invest and hold their fundamentally strong stocks, while most investors will lose patience and sell and regret many years later. End of the video. Here is a question. When do you think Nifty will touch 30,000 level? There are three choices for you: within next 3 years, and B 3 to 5 years, and C more than 5 years. In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.